Welcome to Claudolls, and it's Halloween time. And of course, the best way to start the Halloween season is to start Demon Collab with my doll friends artists Steph O'Doll, Blue Red Colors Art, Arle's Dollhouse, Diamonds Craft, Lady Dynamite Creates, The Ether Dolls, Crystal Fantasy, Jackie O, Josephine Creatures, Kay's Oak Factory, and of course me. The only rule in this collab is we have to use one of the 17 inches monster high. They are really difficult to get one of them, but yeah, I got one. And I'm gonna use Golyub Yellington from Freak du Chic. And when I think about demons, I think about one of the most scary films I have ever seen. So I thought immediately on Annabelle. She's really scary. She's really a demon for me. Annabelle is a 2014 American supernatural horror film directed by John R. Lonetti, written by Gary Doberman, and produced by Peter Safran and James Wan. The film was inspired by a story of a doll named Annabelle. I'm gonna use this white satin. I will try to reproduce the dress as much real as possible as I can. And I'm gonna start to clean up the doll. For that, I cut the hair really short. It's the first time I'm using a 17 inches doll. I'm curious to see how it's gonna happen. I'm gonna cut the skull first with my exact knife because the vinyl is really hard and it's difficult to take the rest of the hair from the neck hole. Then with my Dremel, I want to give her the face features that Annabelle have it in the smile. She have strong features. I have to cut the eyes also, because I'm gonna make it inserted eyes like Annabelle. I use first my Dremel to make it a hole, and then with the exact knife and really careful because you can hurt yourself, I cut around the shape of the doll eyes. I sand it with a fine sandpaper. When she's ready, I'm gonna give her a layer of Mr. Super Clear and a layer of spray acryl skin color. I give it like 3 layers, giving a layer of acryl and a layer of Mr. Super Clear between them. I start sketching the mouth and the face with my watercolor pencils. If you are curious to see what kind of material I use, they are listed in the description box below. You can check it always. Annabelle have a really mean face and really dark features, really dark shadows. I noticed that the eyeliner is really dark and thick also. And it's also dark around the mouth. Have you seen the video from Annabelle? They're really scary, but I love horror films. That's why I thought about her immediately as soon as I heard demon. Now with my acryl paint, I give it more opacity to the eyeliner and more darkness around the mouth and the nose. I'm so happy to be a part of this collaboration. They are amazing artists. Please, please, please don't forget to check their videos. I'm sure you're not gonna forget it. But anyway, I'm gonna put the link also in the description box below, so that it's easier for all of you to check out the amazing dolls and the amazing works that they have done. I'm using a dark red acryl paint. I finished the eyes with the big eyelashes. I'm using a fake human eyelashes and tacky glue. And now I'm gonna use my acryl varnish glossy for the lips and the eye tears. I'm gonna start with their eyes. I'm gonna sketch them and paint them. I noticed that they are light green, so I'm sketching them in a card paper. And now I'm gonna cut them, and I'm gonna use the same technique that I use always to make the inserted eyes. I used the silicone mold. I drop a little bit of UV resin, and then I put the Irish that I draw in the middle, and then I cure it under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. When it dries, I put white resin. With my lighter, I make sure that I take all the bubbles out, and I cure it again with my UV lamp. And they look great. I'm really proud of these eyes. It's time for the hair. I'm gonna glue it directly with hot glue to the head because I really don't have any patience. And I'm gonna start modeling the hair. I give it the two iconic braids from both sides, and I'm gonna finish with this red velvet ribbon. The dress. To make the mold, I'm gonna use the technique of the foil craft tape, and I'm gonna draw the mold that I wanted. I'm gonna transfer the mold to a carton paper, and then I'm gonna cut it in the fabric. I always leave like 5 millimeters extra to sew it. And there it is. Everything cut it and ready to go. First, I start with the top, with the upper side of the dress that I sew it, and I'm gonna turn it around. I made him with 2 layers to make him stronger. And now I'm gonna finish with this red velvet ribbon. In heart shape. First, I attach the upper side of the sleeves to the lower side. And then I attach it to the top of the dress. And he looks perfect. I give her a long skirt with the same satin. In the bottom of the skirt, I give her the detail that she had in the dress, and I sew it in the back side to finish it. And I finish him with a bigger red velvet. Of course, we cannot forget the red rose. I don't have a red rose, I have a white one, but I'm gonna paint it in red acryl and it's gonna be fine. For the shoes, I am gonna use this white vinyl and I'm gonna transfer the pattern that I cut it. I sew it around and I turn it from inside out like this. It was really hard to see the shoes because the dress is really long and it's really difficult to see the shoes, so I'm imagining them a little bit. Now with some hot glue I make him a ribbon so that I can attach him in the side with this metal buckle. And it looks so cute. I love it. The message. I pick up a little bit of carton in the same color and I try to imitate the same kind of letters that I see on the message. And with this, I leave you with the last photos of my Annabelle. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to check out the amazing work of my doll friends, and I hope you don't miss me. Bye! I see you on my next video.